Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list. Let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then choose this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on this camera icon. And now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to, when you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. It's up to you which option you prefer. Then let's find the photo we'd like to use. And here in this step we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So after positioning it just like you want to, tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. So if you're happy with your choice, tap on this save icon in the right upper corner again. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.